Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about Google Slides and how you can resize the slides size. So you can see that at the moment I have opened a simple Google Slides presentation and the size is standard. However, you can resize it and there can be different needs. For example, one of the most common ones is that you want to be able to fit everything on one printable sheet, or alternatively you might be creating different templates and you want to have different sizes. So in order to change the size of Google Slides, it's quite simple. You would need to go to File and then you will be able to see Page Setup. You can see that at the moment this is set up for widescreen 16:9, so meaning that through a monitor, the standard current monitor size, this will be quite good visibility and has these dimensions. However, you can see here different other widescreen, standard 4:3, and then you can press custom. And here you can change centimeters, points, pixels. And for example, you can put 8.5 by 11 and you press apply and you can see that this has been applied and it has been changed. You can always check it here. I can see that I should have put 8 and then dot instead of comma. So press apply again and you will be able to see your page setup always in this section and change it here. So please let me know what is the size you are looking for and why is that the size you will need. And thank you for watching this video. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and feel free to smash that like button. This will help boost the video and more people with similar questions will be able to see the video. And also subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. So see you guys in the next video.